Dogecoin is a decentralized and totally secure organization. It is intended to be a well-disposed, more congenial type of digital currency that could arrive at clients put off by the chilly intricacy of Bitcoin. Indeed, even its name is taken from a famous web image. History of Dogecoin, which isolates Dogecoin from most other altcoins and the digital currency market as expansion as opposed to deflationary cryptographic money. Bitcoin and numerous other cryptographic forms of money are planned to such an extent that they have a hard stock cap of monetary standards. Dogecoin's cost has massive potential. With the sort of notoriety rising, Dogecoin's presence is tremendous, contrasted with different contenders. Utilizing Dogecoin needs no extraordinary preparation. Cordial to utilize. It carries genuine worth to its clients. Packing your Dogecoin is currently simple. In this way, utilization of Dogecoin implies power in the possession of the client. The standard of any driving coin is the prominence and fan wave that twirls around them. Similar holds at the cost of Doge, as the reception rate for Dogecoin is very high. This computerized cash's dynamic and firm worth winds around an emanation of the whole Dogecoin people group that places their confidence in it. The Doge wallet is a carefully facilitated capacity that will provide your resources with the most significant level of safety that anyone could hope to find. The clients who own Dogecoin in their wallet can involve it for Dogecoin loaning. They need to give subtleties, wallet address, and open a record there. Dogecoin. Specialized investigation. Regardless of the historical backdrop of tempests and tornadoes in the digital money market, there is a fair future. Notwithstanding, nothing can be sure in the digital money space, and that is the point at which our digital currency cost figure comes into the image. Dogecoin's absolute market cap is exchanging around $10,795,171,570 and is presently the 8th greatest advanced cash on the planet. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin is around $0.08138 with an exchanging volume of $354,383,286. The ongoing stock is at $132,670,764,300 Doge, while the absolute coursing supply is $132,670,764,300. The general digital money market capitalization has denoted a tremendous change this year, including the Dogecoin market cap. After the Doge's cost arrived at its zenith, it denoted a monstrous fall over the long haul. In any case, the ongoing Dogecoin cost developments have stamped extraordinary changes as of late. The Doge cost developed over 100% in 7 days. The Doge's cost down and out the prompt opposition with practically no obstacles. It attempted to outperform the urgent obstruction of $0.1669 however fizzled. Afterward, because of some benefit booking exercises, the Dogecoin Doge value began to exchange beneath the obstruction. Specialized pointers recommend that the image coin needs a purchaser's help to start the positive excursion once more. Will V1.14.6 redesign affect Doge's cost? As indicated by our investigation and Doge expectations, the cost of Doge might not have an extremely impressive impact because of the V1.14.6 update. The overhaul certainly has gotten a great deal of upgrades its organization and environment. However, the cost remained in a similar reach as it was before. As of late, the cost saw a gigantic ascent. Yet that was more a result of Elon Musk's help for Twitter and his Twitter takeover. The vast majority of the overhauls in the organization or biological system can impact the cost for the present moment, and not the long haul. The most that influence the Doge's cost are the market feelings and the most recent news. Will Doge support the ascent? Everything started when Elon Musk fixed a $44 billion arrangement to assume control over Twitter. When this news was out, the Dogecoin Doge cost flooded nearly by 100%. It is on the grounds that Elon Musk has consistently upheld Dogecoin and considered it a group's coin on numerous events. Elon Musk's ceaseless help of tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for products and institutional reception has been gainful to the coin. Numerous standard financial backers accept that Elon Musk will coordinate Doge into the working of Twitter, and without a doubt, financial backer feeling viewing the equivalent became more grounded as Musk reported that clients would need to purchase a $8 month-to-month membership for an authority blue tick. As indicated by the investigation, Doge's cost will support on the off chance that the hypotheses work out. Dogecoin came to 11 cents. Just with hypotheses, it will become one of the most mind-blowing crypto resources. Taking into account the ongoing business sector capitalization, it very well may be a wise venture. Dogecoin could be one of only a handful of exceptional cryptographic forms of money equipped for being utilized as a utilitarian cash as opposed to just as a theoretical resource. As per the Dogecoin value forecasts of the wallet financial backer, Dogecoin, Doge may not be a wise speculation, and they anticipate the Dogecoin Doge cost to be around $0.0773 in 2023. While the specialized examination and Dogecoin value forecast of computerized coin cost recommend that the coin will go up to 21 cents in 2023. Taking a gander at the ongoing positively trending business sector of Dogecoin, the resource might contact another record-breaking high in the impending years. Indeed, even specialists of Changelly additionally foresee that the exchanging cost of Dogecoin Doge will reach $2.14 by 2030. Dogecoin expectation 2023. According to the market feeling and future cost activity, the most extreme expected Doge cost may be around 25 cents, though the normal cost may be 19 cents, and the base cost may be 12 cents in light of our cost expectation. Dogecoin cost could have tracked down extraordinary help in a brief period after the ascent of this current year. Dogecoin forecasts 2024. According to the Doge value forecast and specialized examination, the typical cost may be 23 cents in 2024, while Dogecoin's cost might arrive at a limit of 28 cents and at least 18 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2025. According to our Dogecoin cost expectation for 2025, the coin could have a most extreme and least market cost of around 39 cents and 25 cents, while the typical cost may be around 32 cents toward the finish of 2025. Dogecoin value forecast 2026. As indicated by the Dogecoin Doge cost expectation, it might hit a most extreme cost of 45 cents and the base exchanging cost of around 30 cents for the year 2026. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging worth might be around 38 cents. A huge meeting is normal in Dogecoin's cost consistently. Dogecoin value expectation 2027. As per our Doge cost expectation, it is normal that Dogecoin be valued at 51 cents, which likewise is the most extreme worth, while the base incentive for a similar period might be around 35 cents. Going against the norm, the typical cost of Dogecoin perhaps 43 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2028. Indeed, even in the profoundly unpredictable crypto market, an image coin like Dogecoin might keep on demonstrating its worth even in the bear market. According to the Dogecoin Doge cost forecasts, the coin could arrive at the greatest worth of 57 cents with a base cost of 40 cents. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be 49 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2029. Our Doge cost expectation uncovers that the Dogecoin cost will exchange between 47 cents to 63 cents, where the previous is the most reduced conceivable cost, while the last option is the most elevated conceivable cost for 2029. While the typical cost for the year perhaps 50